In every frame we capture, every scene we create, art is the soul of our expression. It's not just in the subjects we photograph or the videos we produce, it's in the very essence of our craft. From the precision of a car's elegant lines to the raw emotion in a candid moment, art breathes life into our vision. Art isn't merely a visual spectacle. It's in the meticulous processes behind the scenes, careful planning, the passionate execution, the relentless pursuit of perfection. It's the silent dialogue between the artist and their creation, the invisible thread connecting heart to hand. And then there's the art we carry with us. The stories etched into our skin, the tattoos that transform our bodies into living canvases. Each design a testament to our journey, our passions, our identities. Art is not just what we create, it's who we are. It's the heartbeat of our existence, the essence of our expression. Embrace it, love it, wear it. So, we had Change recording today. We're part of the YouTubers challenge. Got at the background you can see the camera will not focus. But anyways, I'm gonna take you guys through the people now. You can hear the cars is busy starting up there at the back. They're busy with their practice runs now, or lining up for the practice run. So I'm in the second group with the faster guys. I don't know why they put the beginning like me with the faster guys. Fayaz is very humble. He is one of the bigger groups. And here I've got Mr. 2ZZ Nation here with me. So yeah, we are in the second group. So I'm gonna throw a couple of cinematics in between. Unfortunately, I don't have a GoPro to mount to show you guys the racing and stuff, but I'm gonna show you guys from the sideline.
The anxiety is high. One way in, no way out. Let's go.
Okay, now it's back to business. Gotta show 'em reasons why the team is undefeated. In the jungle, wrestle with the demons and the leeches. Wanna see me fall, so they join the coalition. But I've been on a mission. Gamble on me, every dollar you should wager. Best in my division, like I'm Kobe on the Lakers. Enemies arriving, I can feel the sense of danger. Yeah, here to win the battle, ain't no fear, I never waver. Yeah.
Top 6 boys. EG boys. This man watched too much Twisted Metal. Look here now, you people know why I said the auto's are slow. Die man hou die hele traffic op.
You would never see me fold. I got the pick and roll, bro, got the give and go. Arm in the rim, feet swinging with some gusto. CB4, 5 seconds on the clock. Cross and he's supposed to drop. Shake and bake, watch the feet spread like it's country crop. Back to back wins, we the champs of the melting pot. We came to your house and turned up like it's party rock. Pressure, pain, everything that made a champ. Execute game, never was my final dance. Really made a name. Let the city have a chance. We are not the same, and you can hear the people chant.
I can never settle, gotta go and get it all. Every 24, I gotta hustle till I fall. Push it to the limit like I'm Scarface, that's the law. I've been going crazy, I've been balling off the wall. I can never settle, gotta go and get it all.
There's no 15-4 with all that spinning out.
So in third place, we'll have here we go. That's all that TikToking in the arms. In second place, we'll have Tigers. And first place, we'll have Ashik. And Tian made a 16.267. Thank you very much. Yeah. There's Saeed with a 16.3.
We're all the same height, even though we're different sizes.
Just follow that man's channel, SSD Diagnostics. Look here, those people are all worried about their times. If they only know time in Coco. It's the spirit that matters.
Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luca, I told him I'm next. Shit. Oh my God, I'm just